In a quiet workshop, dreams begin as sketches on paper. Every line, every curve is a promise of speed and precision. This is where our fast car starts its journey, from imagination to reality. Engineers and designers study every detail, imagining how it will roar down the streets, how it will feel in the hands of a driver. First comes the design phase. The body is shaped on computer screens, each curve tested for aerodynamics. Wind tunnels simulate the air rushing past. Colors are chosen, materials picked, lightweight metals, carbon fiber, and polished chrome. The car's form must not only look stunning, it must cut through the air with the least resistance. Next, the heart of the car, the engine. Expert technicians assemble pistons, turbochargers, and exhaust systems with perfect precision. Each part is tested, calibrated, and tuned. When combined, these components will deliver the raw power that turns this car into a machine built for speed. Every rev promises adrenaline. The chassis, the backbone of the vehicle, is constructed with high-strength steel and lightweight alloys. Suspension systems are installed for smooth handling, ensuring the car grips the road at high speeds. Every bolt, every weld is checked, because perfection is not optional, it's essential. Inside the car, luxury meets function. Seats are crafted for comfort and control, steering wheels shaped for precision, and dashboards equipped with glowing instruments. Every switch, every button, every detail is designed to respond instantly to the driver's touch. The body panels are polished and painted, reflections shimmering like liquid metal. Lights, grills, and aerodynamic spoilers are attached. The car's form is now complete, a perfect balance of beauty and power. It gleams under the workshop lights, waiting to hit the road. Before it can race, every system is tested. Brakes, suspension, engine, electronics, all undergo rigorous checks. The car is rolled onto the testing track. Tires screech, engines roar, and every turn is measured. Only when it performs flawlessly does it earn the title of a fast car. Finally, it's time for the first drive. The driver grips the wheel, presses the pedal, and feels the engine come alive. Acceleration, speed, control, everything flows as intended. The car responds instantly, as if it has a mind of its own, a machine born from passion and precision. As it tears down the street, the air rushes past, the city lights blur, and the thrill of speed takes over. This is more than a car. It is a dream turned into metal and horsepower, a testament to the skill, dedication, and vision of everyone who built it. And so, from sketches to the open road, the fast car's journey is complete. Every component, every detail, every spark of inspiration comes together in perfect harmony. It is not just a machine, it is freedom, power, and speed captured in one extraordinary creation.